Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Dr. P.D. Jadhav, PG Faculty of Commerce, People's College Nanded. Today I am going to take lecture on the subject Advanced Accounting Second, particularly for BCom third year 6th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. Under this subject, I am going to take topic number 4, Solicitor Account, question number 3rd. This question has asked in the examination March-April 2019. Mr. Ravi is a solicitor. His trial balance at the end of first year of his practice on 31st March 2018 was as follows. Particular debit rupees, credit rupees. Capital credit side 62,500. Drawing 12,500. Furniture 25,000. Rent 5,000. Salaries 12,500. Postage 1,250. Client for cost 9,500. Clients for disbursement 5,250, law books 12,750, profit costs credit side 50,000, cash at bank at client 3,000, cash at bank office 25,750. Both sides are tallied 1,12,500. Solution. In the books of Mr. Ravi, profit and loss account for the year ended, debit side, credit side, particular rupees, balance sheet as on 31st March 2018, liabilities rupees, assets rupees. I am highlighting first adjustment item, salary. Hence I have underlined item salary, outstanding salary, depreciation furniture and law books. Hence, law books and furniture also underline. Capital is the hidden adjustment. Hence underline this item. First item capital. Capital goes to the balance sheet liability side inner column 62,500. Drawing. Deduct from capital 12,500 liability side. Furniture goes to the balance sheet asset side inner column 25,000 because of adjustment. Rent debit side of the profit and loss account 5,000. Salary inner column 12,500 profit and loss account debit side. Postage debit side 1,250. Rent 5,000 profit and loss account debit side. Client for cost 9,500 balance sheet asset side. Clients for disbursement balance sheet asset side 5,250. Cash at bank client, cash at bank office. This one is also asset, goes to the balance sheet asset side. Cash at bank office client 3,000, cash at bank office 25,750. Now I am taking item one by one. Adjustment. Outstanding salary rupees 500. Adding concerned item to the profit and loss account debit side. Outstanding salary 500. Outer column 13,000. Second effect balance sheet liability side. Outstanding salary 500. Second adjustment depreciation of furniture 5%, law books 10%. Deduct from concern item less 10%. Depreciation 2,500. Outer column 22,500. Deduct from law book also less 5%. Depreciation 5% of 12,750. That is, sorry, 10% adjustment given on law books. That is 1,275. Outer column 11,750. Sorry, 11,475. And 5% depreciation on furniture. That is 1,250. Outer column 23,750. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, 2 depreciation on furniture, 2 depreciation on law books, furniture amount 1,250, law book amount also 1,275. Another effect of provision of the unrealized profit and loss account debit side and balance sheet liability side. Reserve for unrealized profit. Reserve for unrealized profit is same as planned for cost, that is 9,500. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, 2 reserve for unrealized profit 9,500. Profit cost amount rupees 3,000 goes to the profit and loss account credit side. Total of the profit and loss account credit side 3,000. Total of the profit and loss account debit side 31,275. 3,000 minus 31,275. Difference is 18,750. 18,725. That is net profit. Net profit adding capital. Net profit 18,275. 725. 62,500 plus 18,725. That is 81,225. 81,225 minus drawing 12,500. Outer column 68,725 capital amount. Then close balance sheet liability side as well as balance sheet asset side. Both sides are equivalent, 78,725. Thank you.